is it likely that actually what he decides to do is to settle the money and avoid the court case?
I do think that very much. Again, legal fees would be astronomical, but I think the bigger consideration here would be damage to his reputation. Keeping the case out of court would be infinitely more beneficial in terms of just keeping the allegations, true or false, out of the public view, keeping the daily circus that this case would become out of the public mindset, out of the tabloid, so to speak. So to me, I think avoiding a lawsuit would be infinitely valuable to the prince.
Yeah, and if the case did go ahead, there's no way the court can force him to go and give evidence, is there?
Not in a civil case. The judge has ruled that he is required to answer questions under oath in preparation for the civil trial. However, if he simply refuses everything, the judge can make rulings on the record and hold him in contempt, but I don't think that they would have the power to come and physically arrest the prince and bring him to America for contempt of court. I think that would be a stretch.
Okay, so if he wants this all to go away, what kind of dollar signs are we talking about, in your opinion?
Well, the 2008 settlement with Giuffre and Epstein was $500,000. This is 2022. Inflation has gone up. I would say in the several millions of dollars, if not tens of millions. And I'm just basically guessing. It's just, how do you put a value on her allegations, on her experiences being sexually trafficked and being used for sex around the world with the prince is her allegation. So putting a price tag on that is really a function of emotion. It's a function of how much leverage in court, and it's a function of negotiation.